Hi guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be making my 2022 vision board. So I made one of these last year on my channel and I thought I'd do it again this year because I did actually manifest a lot of the stuff that I put on my board, and for the things that I didn't manifest or I still want to do, I thought I'd put on this year's as well. So if you want to see how I turn this little memo board into my 2022 vision board, please stay watching. Also, I just want to say a massive thank you because we've hit 500 subscribers on this channel. We're very close to 650, so honestly thank you so much. It honestly means the world to me and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to grab your cup of tea, grab your biscuits and grab your snacks, and yeah, we're about to get really creative. And if you do enjoy today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you never miss an upload. So I'm going to stop rambling now because I know you're all here to see the vision board and not me talking away. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So in order to make our vision boards, we're going to need some form of board. You can literally use any one, but I'm going to be using this metal memo board from Amazon, and this was in a pack of 2, so you've got one for next year as well, which is quite handy. And this is just plain white. It was super affordable and I'm going to put the link in the description box. Then I picked up these rose gold fold back clips from Paperchase. And I've got these good vibes only cards from a company called The Inspired Stories, and Scott got me this for Christmas. They've just got so many different nice quotes on them with like a little white border, which I thought was really nice. They're really aesthetically pleasing and yeah, they're just quite a nice touch. And in this little bag, also from Inspired Stories, I got some little postcard quotes as well. And then I picked up some photos from Lala. Here you can see that one of my goals was to hit 500 subscribers, and I filmed this video in December and now we're in January. I've actually hit 500 subscribers before we even got into 2022, so thank you so much. Then I've got some outfit inspo and my favourite YouTubers. And I've got this gorgeous photo of the beach because I want to take the babies on more holidays. Here, as you can see, I've just laid everything out in front of me just to make it easier and to see what I'm working with. Honestly, I think this was one of the most exciting parts for me. I got to see my goals all come to like one kind of vision. I love the colours that I've chose to use. The pinks and the neutrals and the pastels. So now I'm going to be starting my vision board. I'm going to be starting off with this little print that just says calm because I really want to be a little bit calmer this year. And then I've just got some YouTubers and some quotes. Then I've just got some little quotes, and this one just says it's okay to take a break. I'm really hard on myself and I forget sometimes that, you know what, it is okay just to take a minute and pause. So I thought that that would be quite useful. Then I've got this little picture of Mrs. Hinch's kitchen because I really want to do my kitchen up this year. With you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. And of course we've got a really nice pearly white smile because I want to do Smile Direct. And I've got to include Cody and Mila on this because they're my entire world. Here you can just see me pinning and moving some things around because, you know, vision boards tend to get a bit messy and cluttered. So yeah, just moving some of the clips.
conversations. I can't seem to shake this.
I absolutely love this beach photo that I found.
Probably run away. My friends' advice just come through tonight.
And of course, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. That is one of my main goals, and I'm really excited to see if I can do it. Really hope so. So if you've not already, hit the subscribe button, guys. Then we've got this little quote that says enjoy the now, because I feel like when you've got anxiety it's very hard to be present, but being present and in the moment is probably one of the most key things to helping your mental health. And I want to go all out for my birthday, so I've just got a little cake for some inspiration. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my vision board, just a little gaps off camera, and then we will be right back. Guys, I'm literally obsessed over this. This fits so nicely. The aesthetic is stunning.
Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo.
You can see my goals for my hair. And this quote just says, I attract beautiful moments and miracles. We've got my dream bed. A little quote that just says you are enough. A photo of me and Scott. Absolutely in love with the finish of this. Really hope I've inspired a couple of you to make your own. I also made a vision board last year as well, so if you want to go and watch that, I will leave it at the end of today's video. And yeah, I will see you all in the outro. So guys, that was my 2022 vision board. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I've got the kids on, I've got me and Scott, I've got my favourite YouTubers, and all of my 2022 goals. If you do want to see more about my goals and everything like that, and you missed one of my previous uploads, which was my 2022 goals and my plan with me, I will put it at the end of this video, and then you can go ahead and watch that and see an in-depth version of everything that I want to achieve this year. But as always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and as I said earlier, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and please leave a comment letting me know what your goals are for 2022. So yeah, that's everything, guys. Until next time, bye guys, love you.